In today's fast-paced world, it's important to have a car that can keep up with your busy lifestyle. However, with so many gadgets on the market, it can be hard to know which ones are worth your money. Luckily, we've done the research for you and compiled a list of 12 amazing tech gadgets for your car. From a smart automobile that can be managed by voice commands to a high-tech reliable turn signal, these gadgets will not only make your life on the road much easier, but also will provide you with the highest level of safety possible. If you're looking for ways to upgrade your car, check out these 12 amazing techs. This is Technology Now. Number 1. Amazon Echo Auto. These days, everyone wants a cutting-edge vehicle with smart technology. Most functions of a smart automobile can be managed by voice commands through the driver's smartphone. However, the pricing of these vehicles can be costly. With the release of the Amazon Echo Auto, any vehicle can now be equipped with smart features. It's a handy tool for managing your vehicle's features simultaneously. Not a single button or screen tap is required. Saying, "Hey Alexa," is all that's needed to get started. One of the best accessories you can put in your automobile nowadays is one of these. Great! Number 2. Slime Flat Tire Repair Kit. Everyone knows how annoying a flat tire can be while driving. Changing a tire, even with a spare on hand, may be a time-consuming process. That can cause you to be late to class, the workplace, or an important appointment. You can avoid this hassle forever with a Slime Flat Tire Repair Kit. Small enough to fit in the glove box of a car, this repair kit is nonetheless a good investment. Making minimal use of available space, there's a tire inhalant that packs a punch despite its small size and a sealant for repairing flat tires in a pinch. Less than 12 minutes is all you need to inflate and immediately seal a flat tire. Number 3. Yakima Grand Tour 16. There isn't always a lot of room in the trunk of a car, so it'll be challenging to transport bulky objects. For this reason, the Yakima Grand Tour 16 provides a convenient answer to the problem of inadequate space. A novice mechanic could probably install this gadget on your car's roof. Its design storage board is seamless with the rest of your vehicle's interior thanks to its sleek appearance and absence of unsightly gaps. It's convenient because you can access the trunk from either the driver's or the passenger's side of the vehicle. Number 4. Mobileye 630 Pro. You probably weren't aware, but many modern automobiles come standard with collision detection systems. However, those automobiles tend to be quite pricey. But did you know that for a small investment, you can equip any vehicle with collision warnings? With the Mobileye 630 Pro, you can now monitor the vehicles in front of you and track their locations. And it beeps loudly whenever you get too close to another car. In addition, it'll alarm you if you begin to drift out of your lane, if the automobile in front of you suddenly brakes, if a pedestrian darts out in front of your car, or if you exceed the speed limit posted. Number 5. Car LED Lights. Have you ever wished that your car could appear like it came from the future? It's not hard and it won't cost you much money. Any vehicle, no matter how simple, would look classy with these LED strips installed. Plus, a car with a USB connector is all you need to get the lights going. You may make your car look even more futuristic by mimicking the shapes and lines of the car's existing inside. You could hire a designer, or maybe you could give it a try to make some creative designs. Flexibility is the greatest strength of this device. It'll transform the ambiance of your car's interior and make it look awesome to start. Number 6. Laser Light. The lack of effectiveness of some types of headlights is probably nothing new to anyone who has ever lived in a rural area. Most automobiles are optimized for nighttime driving in populated areas. Therefore, the headlights are not powerful enough to allow you to see a great distance in total darkness. There has never been anything quite like the laser light. This system's headlights are 100 times brighter than standard units. Typically, a distance of 100 meters or 328 feet may be seen when using high-powered LED headlights. However, the laser light will allow you to see up to 1 kilometer or around half a mile, expanding your field of view considerably. Everything in its area will be illuminated immediately. Hey there! Please take the time to give this video a thumbs up. Also, we'll be uploading similar videos in the future, so subscribe to Technology Now to stay updated. Number 7. NavD HUD. Even cheap accessories can revolutionize your driving experience. When attached to your dashboard, the Navdi will transform a tiny area of your windshield into a full display. The screen can tell you your speed, the GPS path, the caller ID, the song currently playing, or whatever else you desire. No need to worry as it's transparent so you can see well without obstructing your view. It's awesome to operate and even cooler to look at as it can transform any vehicle into a high-tech automobile. Number 8. LED display steering wheel. A steering wheel is one of the few components shared by nearly all automobiles. Although it is commonly regarded as one of the dullest parts of a vehicle, things are changing. The universal LED steering display is an easy-to-install accessory that may be used by nearly anyone. The high-quality materials utilized will immediately elevate the feel of your steering. An LED panel located at the very peak will show you your current RPM speed in precise detail. The attachment is designed such that it won't screw up the steering in any manner, saving you the trouble. Number 9. Audi X6. Maintaining a high level of safety is our primary goal at all times when we're behind the wheel. It's not enough for us to focus on our own safety on the road, we also need to watch out for the motorists around us. When it comes to automobile safety, the Audi X6 is where it's at in the future. An LED panel mounted to the back window gives information to following motorists about your precise speed. That way, drivers may double-check their own speeds to avoid a collision. Basic as it may sound, it could be a powerful tool against aggressive motorists. Number 10. Mojipick. If there's one tool you didn't know you needed until today, it's the Mojipick. Stickers on automobiles have been available for a long time, but people are starting to find them dull and outdated. To replace them, simply select an emoji. Tiny and simple, this device simply clips into the back window and doesn't obstruct the view of the driver. With this device, you may send emojis from your phone to its screen to display in a variety of ways. You can show others how you're feeling, the logo of your favorite basketball team, the flag of your country, or just some words to caution the drivers behind you. What an innovative twist on the original one. Number 11. Car stickers equalizer. Every now and then, a little something more is all that's needed to make your automobile look way more badass. The car stickers equalizer is a miracle device. This sticker may be placed on your vehicle's rear window, and anytime you play music, it will sense the rhythm and trigger a light show in the shape of an equalizer. To put it simply, it'll make your car look brand new and original from the exterior. And internally, it shouldn't be too distracting to the user. This is one gizmo that will make your automobile stand out and get you noticed. Number 12. Side mirror turn signal. A reliable turn signal is a must-have for any vehicle. While turn signals are intended to alert oncoming traffic, other motorists may have trouble seeing them. One of the most noticeable features of your vehicle can now serve as a turn signal thanks to the installation of a smart mirror. Turn signals may be displayed on the side mirrors with this handy gadget, a constant and obvious signal to those following close behind. You may add a touch of high technology to your car's interior and exterior with this, and it'll serve you well in both regards. Awesome! When it comes to driving, comfort, convenience, and security are top priorities. These inexpensive gadgets might make your automobile safer and more relaxing to drive. What do you think of these amazing car tech gadgets that will surely improve your driving experience? Please let me know in the comments section below. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons as well. All the latest technological developments right here and right now. This is Technology Now. I'll see you in the next upload.